This is the elevator at Flagship Healthcare in Millcreek Township, Pennsylvania. This is a Concord elevator with Dupar Dewhurst fixtures. It doesn't have that typical buzz on the call button like a lot of these have. Go to 2. Panel's a little loose on the right side here at 11. I think this was installed in like 2008 or 9 or something. Bounce. Might have been as early as something like 2004, I don't remember. I don't remember who this was installed by. I think it was some company I'd never heard of before. The doors are also very rough. I think there's a desk right there. A typical cheap button. There's a phone right there, an ADA compliant phone. It's a basic fake wood grain cab. It's a slightly darker elevator. It has spot lighting, LEDs. Actually, no, they're like the. No, they're LEDs where they're like the Christmas tree style lights. Interesting. I got one. Wow. That's gonna be it. I think I closed quarter that time.